Hey there, Hung here, and welcome back to AI in Testing Coach. Today, we're exploring some practical techniques you can use right away to evaluate AI agents and systems. We've got a lot of ground to cover, from new open source tools to major shifts in how we think about testing. Let's get started. First up, a new open source evaluation framework just launched that unifies testing across more than 17 different AI agent platforms. We're talking LangGraph, Llama Index, Crew AI, you name it. This is a big deal because it solves the portability problem. Right now, if you switch agent frameworks, you often have to rebuild your entire evaluation suite. With this tool, you can build your evals once and run them anywhere. It uses a really smart 4-layer approach: deterministic checks, LLM, as judge scoring, NLP metrics, and even document evaluation. Here's something you can try. Just pip install it. In about 10 lines of code, you can start building a consistent, portable testing strategy for your AI agents. Building on that, AWS just released a fantastic tutorial on 2 key agent evaluation techniques: LLM as judge and trajectory evaluation. LLM as judge is about using a powerful model to score the quality of an agent's output. But trajectory evaluation is where it gets really interesting for us in QA. It's about evaluating the process the agent took to get to the answer. Did it make inefficient API calls? Did it hallucinate a step but still stumble into the right answer? Traditional pass or fail testing misses all of that. This is our biggest blind spot. My suggestion is to check out their Jupyter notebooks. Start thinking about how you can score the agent's reasoning path, not just its final answer. It'll help you catch agents that succeed through bad logic or wasteful processes. Now, here's another technique you'll find useful, especially for web automation. Microsoft Research released a framework called Webwright, and it's a game changer. Instead of having an AI agent try to predict where to click on a screen, which is super brittle and hard to debug, Webwright enables the agent to write playwright code directly. The results are pretty stunning. On one benchmark, it nearly doubled the success rate from about 33% to over 60%. For us as testers, this is huge. It turns a black box guessing game into an auditable, maintainable process. You get a playwright script you can actually read, version control, and refactor. This is a pattern to watch. So here's my challenge for you this week. I want you to implement a multi-layer evaluation for an LLM-powered feature. Start with simple deterministic checks, like making sure a specific keyword is in the output. Then add an LLM as judge step to score the overall quality. And finally, if it's an agent, try to map out its trajectory to see if the process was efficient. That new custom evals framework we talked about is a perfect way to start, since it requires almost no setup. That's our session for today. Keep experimenting, and I'll see you next time.